To represent root 5 on the number line, first draw the number line and mark equal units. As here units are clear enough, I am taking 1 unit as yes, mark each unit and arrow at the ends. Then locate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, towards left -1, -2, -3, -4. Now at 1, we have to identify the 90-degree angle line. So protractor is aligned to the baseline, the number line, and the 90-degree angle line is here. I will mark it using a dot. Now align along this 90-degree line, but measure only 1 unit along that 90-degree line. So 1 unit, correctly 1 unit is marked. So this is 90 degree and this is 1 unit. Join the hypotenuse of this right angled triangle. You can name this as A, and this represents root 2. Now at A, repeat the process of taking the 90-degree line, but align the baseline to the new hypotenuse which we have drawn now. So mark 90 degree, in other words. So again, to this new 90-degree line, align the ruler, mark 1 unit. See here. So up to, so 1 unit you should measure. One more 90 degree. The new hypotenuse has to be drawn. This is root 3. Let us mark this point as B. This is 1 unit. Again take the protractor and measure. Now the point is B. At B we are measuring 90 degree, but the baseline is new hypotenuse, the root 3 one. So 90 degree again should be measured. Then along the new 90-degree line, measure 1 unit distance and draw that. And join this new point to the origin. This is the new hypotenuse which represents root 4, and name this as C. At C, aligning to the new hypotenuse as the baseline, measure 90 degree. So the 90 degree is here. So now align along the 90-degree line, but measure only 1 unit distance. So from point C, only 1 unit has to be drawn and join it to the origin. This is root 5. Name this as D. Now, OA is root 2. If root 2 is to be represented, I should measure OA using compass. If root 3 has to be represented, I should measure OB using compass. Root 4, we all know that it is point is 2, so we don't need to actually measure it. Already it is there on the number line. So now it is, intention is to represent root 5. So OD is to be measured using the compass. Take the length OD and this should be marked here. So let me mark clearly using the dotted line the semicircle part to show that we have the accuracy counts here. So cut the number line at this point and name it as P, and this P represents root 5. OP is the distance equal to root 5 units.